Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shipping to your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you access the marketplace, you will need to go to selling and create a new listing. Then you will add the other thing or all the details for your listing. And here in more details between the preferences or here we will find the delivery option or the payment method. And here we will find the setup shipping option, and of course it is not available for all the countries. So basically if it is already available on your country, you will find it here and then you will need to click on setup option, a blue button that will appear here. You will need to click on it and basically after that you will need to add your personal information. After a window or pop-up window that will appear in the middle, you will add your bank account, you will add your personal information like your legal name, your legal address, etc. And then you will need just to click next and confirm your personal information, and your shipping method or your shipping will be set up successfully on your item or on your Facebook Marketplace. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.